Hey there! Today we're making stuffed baked potatoes with veggies and cheese, topped with a red wine balsamic glaze. Let's get cooking. First, we prepare the potatoes. I chose 2 larger potatoes and cut them in half. Then, we brush them with a mixture of butter, salt, pepper, and paprika. Next, we pre-bake them in the oven for about 15 to 18 minutes at around 180 degrees Celsius. We dice 1 eggplant into small cubes. Then, we crush 2 garlic cloves. In a pan, we add a bit of olive oil. We sauté the garlic for about 20 seconds. Then, add the diced eggplant, and a bit of soy sauce. We cook for a few minutes. If needed, add a bit more oil. Chop some green onions. Then, a bit of roasted or pickled pepper. In a bowl, crack 2 eggs. Add the eggplant, pepper, and green onion, along with sour cream, cheddar cheese, thyme, paprika, pepper, and salt. Mix everything well. Once the potatoes have cooled, scoop out the insides with a spoon. Fill the potatoes with the mixture from the bowl. Place them back in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius, about 390 degrees Fahrenheit, for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. Now for the wine reduction. Pour the wine into a pan. Add balsamic vinegar and honey and let it reduce for about 3 minutes. Then, add a bit of stock. I used a beef bouillon cube dissolved in hot water. Let it reduce on low heat for another 5 minutes. Add salt and pepper to taste. To thicken the sauce, I use a teaspoon of cornstarch dissolved in a bit of water. Pour the starch into the reduction and stir continuously for another 2 minutes. Finally, add the butter and stir until smooth and combined. Our baked stuffed potatoes are ready. A perfect mix of textures and bold flavors, all tied together with that smooth red wine balsamic reduction. You can serve it with onion jam for a deeper, richer flavor. Let me know in the comments if you give it a try, and don't forget to subscribe for more recipes like this.